Presentation. My name is Marcela Ramírez Carvajal. I am from Garzón, Huila. Currently resident in Neiva, Huila, neighborhood Rodrigo Lara, Street 20 feet 670 in Arler, apartment in Ave a Tren y Children Education. I am not working at the moment. My phone number is 321-306-0767. Personal email ramirez-60@outlook.com. San Agustín Archaeological Park. The Archaeological Park is located on the small side wall 70 and started distance from the town center 2.5 kilometers west of the town of San Agustín. Altitude about sea level 1.720. They are around 130 stories wide. This park summit in sad order broad from west. Location: Country Colombia, Department Huila. Location: San Agustín Isthmus and White Balance Coast. San Agustín Habitat: the cone de balloon in the Upper Magdalena, South of Department Huila. The status strayed from their original location as well as clay for U10 is inscription and historical document relates to archaeological investigation carried out in the past in white in addition to appreciating the regional flora. 35 fauna statues found in the surrounding can be observed as play while assertive connotation for the ancestral and this mystical aspect in the environment. Divided in the four main areas in addition to the Alto de Lavapatas, the South of the Lavapatas and the Bosque of Statues. The San Agustín Archaeological Park is a milestone in the pre-Columbian history of Latin America for having the largest necropolis, a place destined to the various of the world. Located is the area where volcanic rock and bought the raw material used for its colossal statuary work. In San Agustín, the summer are short, comfortable and cloudy and the winter are short, cool and mostly cloudy during the car or the year. The temperature is usually oscillates between 50 centigrade and 20-30 centigrade and rolls for below 30 centigrade, or right about 25 is usually or with the winter and summer. One of the reasons why I want to talk about the San Agustin Archaeological Park is because of its habitat and because it's probably one of the most impressive and magical places in the country, with historical facts about our ancestors that I think every human being should know. Here, Colombia. Representation of animals abound, especially falls, monkey, lizard, escape from eagle and owls. It caught my attention. One of my attractions of this hostel is the common area, with board games and excellent restaurant, live music and terrace overlooking the Magdalene Canyon.